Hello. Ever wondered what the world is really made of? What are the tiniest building blocks of everything around you? Today, we're going on an adventure to explore the incredible world of atoms. Look around you. This leaf, this rock, even this drop of water. They all seem different, right? But they have one thing in common. They're all made up of tiny, tiny particles called atoms. Imagine you have a piece of gold. If you could keep cutting it into smaller and smaller pieces, you'd eventually end up with the smallest possible piece of gold that still behaves like gold. That's an atom. Atoms are the building blocks of everything in the universe. They're so small you can't even see them with a regular microscope. Now, let's take a closer look at what an atom is made of. The atom is like a tiny solar system. In the center, we have the nucleus, which is the sun. And orbiting the nucleus, or center, we have electrons, which are kind of like the planets going around the sun. Let's start with the nucleus. The nucleus is made up of two types of particles, protons and neutrons. Protons have a positive electrical charge, kind of like a plus sign. Neutrons, on the other hand, have no charge at all. They're neutral. Now, what about electrons? They're much smaller than protons or neutrons, and they have a negative electrical charge, like a minus sign. The electrons zip around the nucleus in what we call electron shells or orbitals. Think of it like this. The protons and neutrons hang out in the nucleus, keeping it stable, while the electrons zoom around, giving the atom its personality. The number of protons in an atom determines what element it is. For example, every atom with only one proton is the element hydrogen. Every atom that has 6 protons is the element carbon. The periodic table organizes all the known elements based on the number of protons in each atom. The atomic number on the table states the number of protons in that atom. It's like a giant catalog of all the different types of atoms. For example, Be stands for the atom beryllium. Each atom of beryllium has 4 protons. He stands for the atom helium, and every helium atom has 2 protons. Now, here's the cool part. Atoms can combine with each other to form molecules. Molecules are tiny structures built from atoms. Water, for example, is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Carbon dioxide, which we breathe out, is made up of 1 carbon atom connected to 2 oxygen atoms. So, to recap, atoms are the smallest units of an element. Atoms are made of protons and neutrons, which are located in the nucleus of the atom, with electrons orbiting the nucleus. Protons have a positive charge, neutrons no charge, and electrons have a negative charge. The number of protons determines the element. And lastly, atoms combine to form molecules. Understanding atoms help us understand everything around us, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Everything is made up of these tiny building blocks. So the next time you look around, remember the incredible world of atoms and the amazing science that helps us understand them. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. Thank you for watching.